Mugathehe kaundu araugire kegie overseas visits for state officers.
Muthenya wa ira ri.
Yes.
Ndumiriri irarekereirio ni chief of staff. Na nowe munene wa uruti wira wa muingi.
Yes.
Igie thirikari kuri miti micerere. Ya aruti wira thirikari nja wa bururi.
Tondu
ni maratuikire kigina kiria marahuthira kumagara nja wa bururi ri.
Yes.
Kigina kiu ni kinene na ni gigucehwo na nuthu.
No gike kaundu kangi.
No gike kaundu kangi ka bata bururi ri.
Yes.
Na oho marero ni macokete kumagara mari na delegation nene muno.
Yes.
Irarengwo.
Makona delegation ite othoni.
Amona me delegation nene gukira othoni.
Yes.
Na marathi garama ni mwena wa thirikari.
Na igeni aria metagwo Joy Rider. Yes.
Joy Rider ni andu ungimoria hasa ni kigiathi gwikwo ri.
Yes.
Matingikwira.
Ona nio makinya kuu moragia atiriri. Ukumanga ijigua ukumanga ukumanga isangane ju hari ekora.
Riu rikora kirekereirio mwerekera mweru.
Yes.
Wa ukinyihia mbere namba ya andu aria maraumagara guthie nja wa bururi. Mari aruti wira na nene ya githirikari.
Ndia.
Keri ni namba ya andu ni undu wa kunyihia garama.
Yes. Na categorize wega. Of course the president, when the president travels, the country has traveled. That one I think status quo.
Iyo nao ni nahutio ona presidency ni nahutio.
Yes.
Ira tuiko na delegation ni ikunyihanyihio. Guikuruko guo guka ginya kianda.
Yes. President tutigane naho mena deputy. Wasiri kura twekire marethia maraigana.
Watatu.
We now.
Wasiri. Mundu umwe wake wa technical. Muthonire wake. Wa digital. Matigakire andu atatu including waziri we mwene.
Yes. Meta PS.
PS ni wawili. Yeye na mtu mwingine mmoja.
Hao wengine
CEOs.
Yes.
Ama kampuni ma thirikari.
Yes.
Hakuna company. Enda peke yako.
Enda peke yako, beba headphone.
Jibebe msigo.
Jibebe kila kitu.
Na ruasi ya makiumagara. Hakuna security. The bodyguard. Hakuna.
Gwecia nugo ukiringa ni kumaragithie. So gwecia kuwa utie security ri. They are looking at traveling to the western country, the west world country. Eto na gwe buru itu na mugathe athiete na maguru ugu. Eta kuruta America.
Ndino no ari ha New York.
Yeah, New York, the UK.
Riu delegation ni ngunderie pio. Angiko ni ukenda gukuana na andu ri ni ukurugamirira ngarameo.
Koguo riu security hakuna wasiri.
Hakuna. Tembea hivyo.
Nimeo kinituirwo kwendia guoya. We mutongoria mutongoria umete na njokite gukuri. Tona delegation yake tukagura ki? Guoya. Guoya ucio. No I imagine riu. Yete kuruta na okoguo Spain nako. Yes, Espanol. Erado. Excuse me, how are you? Very fine, thank you, sir. My name is Moses Kuria. I am a minister. You are not minister. Not minister, don't walk alone. No, I'm a boss.
Back home.
Boss back home say we are using a very extravagant. You are minister actually? Yes, state government minister in the Republic of Kenya. You know Kenya? I know Kenya, and Kenya minister don't come like that. Only 3 of you say you are minister. I don't believe you. I don't believe. Marcelo, come and see somebody saying his minister is walking alone. No, I'm serious. I'm a state officer. Very senior.
Minister.
You said you are minister? Yes, of trade.
Trade?
Yes, trade in Kenya. Trade cannot function without me in Kenya. If I say trade stop, it stops. If I say trade goes on, it goes on. You are lying to us. State minister in Kenya don't come with taxi. You take taxi, you tell us you're minister?
As I say, I must say we cannot come many.
We minimize.
We minimize, especially the CSS. They say we don't come with security because we are told we have security here.
I don't believe you. Marcelo, this guy cheating us.
Minista wake wiki ekuire bagi.
Avienio kikerado. Yes, Mr. Mutua. Alfred. Former governor, Machakos. No, CS Foreign Affairs. Are you kidding me? You kidding me? Really now? You kidding me? Yes, I'm very serious. I'm a senior state officer. Yes, from the government of Kenya. You were lying to us, man. I see what you did over there. You're pranking us. As a prank, man. You're very funny. Very funny. I like it.
It's not your choke. I am Machogu. Sharamalaikum.
He says salam alaikum. This guy's funny, man. What are you, a comedian? You know, Kenyan state ministers, man, don't walk alone, man. They come with a group. They come with the clan. You know what I'm saying? They come with their hood.
To a comedian.
No, it's not your choke. It's not your choke. We were told to be traveling in trees. My friend Moses Kuria, he still 3 people. He's in Indonesia. Alfred Mutua has just gone to South Africa with 3 people.
You're very funny, man. You know, don't tell us you see us, man. Even when Eliud Kipchoge comes over here, a boy rolls with a crew of people, man. And he's just an athlete, man. What you say? You say you what? You what?
I am a state minister.
Oh, very funny, man. Hey, come and look at this. Hey, come and look at this, man. You guys, I think he's telling the truth. Only that he not saying the truth entirely. This guy probably state officer, but he ain't no minister. This guy MCA.
I'm not the MCA. I'm not the MCA. MCA is my junior.
Yo, you got it going on, MCA.
Lekolito go purubate gokwa Adhiana Federa.
You see where I come from. I go with flag.
Oh man, you better raise your flag. You better raise your flag, man. My man. What you say your name is again?
Well, it's Kuria.
Oh, Kuria. Hey, it's a Kuria. You know, like a Kuria. They gotta go for now, man. Kenyans got jokes. Kenyans got jokes going, man. He said, hey, come and look at this. The guy say he minister. This guy say he minister of trade, man. What you trade, man? What you trade?
No, I don't trade. I am the one who actually determines what is traded.
Oh, man, even funnier. We should hook you up with Trevor Noah, man. Or Dave Chappelle. You know what I'm saying? Ano tikorai hu? Ona Nigeria.
Wa transport yata wati.
Kipchumba.
Hello, I greet you. My name is Kipchumba. Murkomen. But you say what name is who? Murko what?
Murkomen.
Comment. How may I help you now, Oga? I am CS from Kenya Minister. You go now lie, oh. Now you go lie, oh. No minister for Kenya comes without a delegation of 27 people. You are lying, oh.
Don't lie now.
Ndio athundia mareri.
Even business people come 2 or 3. Now you come at 3, the 2 of you are telling us you are the CS.
Minister.
Now you go lie. Minister for who? You transport what now? The Minister of Transport in the Republic of Kenya. You head the transport. The transport of what? Unless you are talking of the Buddha, the sector. No, the entire transporting. And you come the 3 of you. Your president na the Ogaruto. Ogaruto tell you to come the 3 of you. Ogaruto na go say you come the 3 of you Prime Minister. That's the directive because of being cost effective.
Austerity
measures will be traveling in 3s for every CS. Oh, Chineke. Is he a president of Africa or is from America? Does Tinubu know about that? Tinubu, does Tinubu know?
Kuria kuru ni Tanzania.
Uri hata watio wako rugongoro gwitwa mai.
Aris.
Yes. Na wasalimia. I am CS Water. Samahani kidogo utabadilisha lugha kidogo. Kidogo Kiingereza cha kutupiga chenga. Oh, nimesamahanika. Nawaambia mimi kutoka Kadala.
Wasili.
Mimi ni wasili wa maji mle nchini mwetu. Hatu waziri wa nini? Okay, waziri unakuja peke. Hatukuelewi wewe jamani. Mesema wewe ni waziri wa maji eti makubwa ya waziri mmoja wa 3. Mito yote mifereji yote Kenya wewe waiongoza alafu mmoja wa 3. Hapo unatupiga chenga. Tuambie tarajie waziri mwenyewe lakini si wewe. No, ni mimi tuliambiwa na rais. Ule si mnajua rais wetu ni Hasula. Hasula alisema Wasili anaenda na watu 3. Sasa watakaniambia huu ni ujumbe wako wote. Hakieleweki hiki.
No, wega wa uthi muri 3 na mungithi bururi ungiri. Getagwo te kauba gaka kanini.
Geta riri. 2x.
Ni chap chap. No mukuone ga chap chap.
Lakini nauliza wasema nyinyi ni waziri na mnatoshea kwenye bajaji. Tukutuku weta wa bajaji. Mnatoshea kwenye bajaji wakuja ndio nyinyi waziri hapa. Lakini rais wenu alikuwa serious ama alikuwa anaongea tu? Kuria viete India. My name is Moses Kuria. I'm here to see Modi. That's Modi. I'm here to see Narendra Modi. Now what are you looking to? I am a minister. Oh, you're telling a lie. Kenyan minister, when they come, they fill up one train with people. When they travel, we know very well. When Kenyan minister travel, they go with the entire family. And their cousins and uncles and 2 in-laws. You cannot be minister. Tell the truth, we shall allow you, but don't tell us you're minister. Minister Kenyan, 3 people, we don't believe. We don't believe now.
That's lie.
That is a lie. Who say you come, the 3 of you? Sir President. He says when we travel, we come and chakula mtoto. It's like finishing food for I will have to call your president to ascertain that you are truly the minister. Minister Kenyan don't come two people. You cannot come two people. You don't even have your chaiwala.
Idia rä munene nä akona må ndå wake specific wa kå må rugä ra cai etagwo
chaiwala. You don't even have your chaiwala.
It's a new order.
The new world order. Yeah. Yo, man, you're not minister. You look at this.
Ela ia jara da te dai.